Want to unlock hidden insights within your data and perform complex calculations in Tableau? Let's dive right in. First, open your Tableau workbook and navigate to your data source. You'll see your available fields neatly organized into dimensions, which are categorical, and measures, which are numerical. Now, to create a calculated field, click on the drop-down arrow in the Dimensions or Measures pane. You'll see an option labeled Create Calculated Field. This opens the Calculated Field dialog box. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a dedicated area to enter your formula. You can type directly, or use the pre-existing function list to look up options. Let's say you want to calculate profit ratio. Start typing your formula. Tableau offers helpful autocomplete suggestions as you write. You can use arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide along with your existing fields. The dialog box provides a formula bar to write your formula and a formula preview for potential errors. Once you've entered your formula and it validates without errors, click OK. Your newly created calculated field will now appear in either the Dimensions or Measures pane. Depending on the type of calculation you performed, you can now drag this field into your visualization. That's it. You've successfully created a calculated field in Tableau. Remember to explore the many functions available in Tableau to create more complex calculations.